Hey everybody, I'm Dave, and what we have here is a block of ice, a block of clear ice. I've been working on my old fashions and different drinks and trying to figure out how to make clear ice. And I saw a couple good videos about directional freezing, and you end up filling up a cooler with ice or with water, put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and this is kind of what you get. Is a block of clear ice. So I'm gonna try cutting it up into big cubes and then see what it looks like with some bourbon around it.
And so you're using a serrated bread knife.
Yeah, just a serrated knife. I might try something different. Just kind of score it and then tap it with a hammer. Let's see if this works. That's pretty good.
That's so cool. Wow. It's crystal clear.
That's awesome. It's time to put it to the test. See if all our hard work paid off. Just like you get it at the bar.
Yes, it is.
Cheers.
Cheers. Clear ice for the win.
Yeah. This is fun. This is so easy. I'm like barely even tapping it.
It's so cool.